Yo, what's good, YouTube? Today motivation. This is what you can get with all CPNs, man. What you can get with all CPNs. I can keep on going down, but yeah. What you can get. Hey, trust me, man. Trust the process, bro. Y'all not trusting the process, man. Shop with me. Once y'all shop with me, it's over with. Just buy the whole ebook from me. Y'all gonna be good. I'm selling the ebook right now, 200. And I just low-key gave. Hey, look. Hey, buy the ebook. I don't make CPNs no more. I'm gonna show y'all how to make it, and I'm gonna show y'all how to make it the right way. Just buy the ebook from me. You know what I'm saying? If y'all want a CPN made, I'll make it for y'all. Like, I don't mind making it for y'all, but I really don't do CPNs no more. Like, you know, just show with me. You know what I'm saying? It's so slight, y'all. Like, hey, you hear me? I fell in love with this. Oh my God, $5 in my hand. Hey, y'all, look. Shout with me though, man. Shout with me. I'm making CPNs for a blank CPN. It's $100. For the trade lines, my trade lines is $200 and up. I'm sorry, my trade lines be too good. I'm doing primaries, AUs, installment loans, auto loans, mortgage. You know what I'm saying? Rental loans, all that. So look, shout with me. Let's get this boy on the road. I'm doing deals. From CPNs, from the trade line, from the class 101 training. I'm doing all that, so shout with me, man. A trade line is something you put on your credit score to make your, you know what I'm saying, credit score go up. And it's showing good payments to the dealerships if you're trying to get a car, a loan, you know what I'm saying? It's showing. So an AU primary is better than the AU. An AU just helps to boost your credit and let you know, like, all right, cool. You know what I'm saying? Like, a primary though, oh my God, it's showing on-time payment. But look. Shout with me. Come on, this your boy talking shit, man. I'm back in business. I'm sorry I didn't left. I'm back in business, gang. Come on, let's go.